Hi guys, I'm back with my new video, and in today's video I'm going to create this look of Kendall Jenner. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just get into the video. To moisturize my face, I'm using the moisturizer from Mamaearth. I'm using the strobe cream from Maybelline New York to get a nice dewy effect. I'm using the foundation from Maybelline New York. It's the Super Stay foundation in the shade 128. With the help of this damp beauty blender, I'm blending my foundation. Like Kendall, I'm filling my brows boldly with the help of a black eyeshadow. To cover the dark spots and the dark circles, I'm using a concealer. Now I'm adding a very dark brown shade on my eyelids, and I'm leaving the crease and I'm blending it out on my lids. Now in the same way, I'm adding some black eyeshadow on my eyelids. With the help of this brown kajal, I am contouring my nose. Then with the help of a powder contour, I'll contour my cheeks. Then I'll blend it out with the help of a fat brush. With the help of the beauty blender, I'm blending my concealer. On my lower lash line, I'm adding the black eyeshadow and I'm smudging it with the help of this flat brush. kajal on my waterlines. I'm applying this dark colored blush on my cheeks, and with the fat brush I'll blend it out. To highlight my face like Kendall, I'm using this silver highlighter to get that natural glow. I'm using the lipstick from Faces Canada. It's a nude pink lipstick, and over this I'll add a lip gloss from Sugar Cosmetics. Last but not the least, I'm adding this mascara on my lashes, and it's from Maybelline New York. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you're interested. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified.